Making this video because I made a TikTok and I felt that this TikTok was way too important to not also post on my YouTube channel. So the format of this video is going to be a little bit different than you're used to. So I do apologize for that, but I promise you that this is going to have a lot of great information that's going to help you succeed financially. And of course, if this is information that does help you and you find value in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so you're notified every time I put a video out or a YouTube short. But without further ado, here's that video. So we know that the inflation rate just hit 7.5% last year, which is the highest it's been in 40 years. Now, the reason why it's important to understand that number is because for our retirement sake, we need to outpace inflation. So in this case, we have to find investments that are above 7.5% inflation rate that we had last year. And that really narrows down the range of investments that you can make in order to outpace this. And this is one of the reasons why the 401k is failing a lot of retirees, because their 401k is only averaging 3 to 4% every single year, which isn't keeping up with inflation. So I want to go through some investments that will actually outpace the 7.5% so that you actually have a fighting chance when it comes to retiring itself. The first one's real estate. Since we have a lot more people needing houses than there are houses for sale, real estate's a really good investment to help outpace inflation right now. And I see this continuing as a trend for at least the next 2 to 5 years. Next one's annuities. This one is a more safer investment. This one is for people who might be getting closer to the retirement age and just want something that they know will feel comfortable and something that is a little more hands-off. There are different types of annuities, from fixed to indexed to variable annuities. So there's a lot more options out there, and this tends to be one of the less risky investments. Next is going to be investing into individual stocks. This isn't for the basic everyday retirement investor. This is for somebody who really pays attention to individual companies, does the research on companies, and feels comfortable trading within the stock market. Individual stocks is a great way to outpace inflation as well. And you know we had to put this one on the channel as well. Cryptocurrency. So what we've noticed as a trend with cryptocurrency is when there's a lot of uncertainty in the market and we start to see inflation, people start moving their money out of the market and they start to put it into cryptocurrency because they feel like it's a safe haven for the actual inflation rate and the potential of loss in the stock market. On top of that, we're seeing a lot more people migrating to cryptocurrency, which is only driving the returns of cryptocurrency up. And so those are 4 investments I wanted to show you because it's important that you take your financial future into your own hands. And now you have options to outpace this inflation. So if you did enjoy this, make sure that you hit that follow button because I'm always coming at you with more investing ideas.